6 people have died and at least 30 people have been injured after a major portion of a foot overbridge near the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus station in South Mumbai collapsed. The incident took place during peak hours when there was a lot of rush on that overbridge. Let's take it across to Utkarsh Chaturvedi, my colleague, who's currently at that particular place. Utkarsh, we had the Maharashtra Chief Minister as well just visit the site. What is the update right now? Because it seems a lot of blame game between the railways and the BMC is on. What happens next?
Exactly, Aisha, as you said, it took almost an hour after the incident took place for the BMC to realize that this bridge comes under their jurisdiction, not railways. In fact, I would like my cameraman to show our viewers the part of the bridge which has collapsed. It was almost half of the bridge which had collapsed yesterday around 7:30. To give people who are not from Mumbai an idea, this is one of the most premium areas of the city. In fact, this is one of the most heritage areas. You have all the old buildings. In fact, CST terminal itself is one of the oldest stations in India. Now, what happens next? It's always a routine. It's the third time it is happening in the past 2 years that foot over bridges and bridges have collapsed. The blame game begins. Now, the Mumbai police has taken an FIR. It is under section 304, death due to negligence. Now, both railway officials responsible and BMC officials responsible have been booked in this case, and obviously there has been a lot of speeches and tweets back and forth from Congress, Shiv Sena as well as BJP at this point of time. But the interesting thing to note here is that when in 2017 the Elphinstone bridge collapsed, there was a survey which was done across all the footover bridges in the country. Out of that, this was also one of them, and in the audit it was found that there are only minor changes which is required. In fact, that was also not done, and today we see when the auditor we have been trying to speak to, now he said that it is because the BMC had done some paint work into the bridge. We didn't really go into deep and looked at the corrosion effect in the bridge, and that is what caused the whole accident. So at this point of time, obviously Mumbai police has taken an FIR. They are looking for people who to be blamed with this. Now the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has directed Ajoy Mehta, the BMC chairman at this point of time, to make sure that by the end of the day, the people who should be blamed for this, who are the culprit for this, should be booked. So we'll have to really wait and watch. But 6 deaths gone till this point of time, 32 injured, and if you look at in the past 3 years, around more than 40 taxpayers have lost their lives just because foot-over bridges in the maximum city, in the financial capital of the country, have collapsed.
Yeah, Utkarsh, it has definitely been a lot of apathy, and someone really needs to take responsibility, as you said. Already 30 people injured, and this is the third one that we've seen so far. Can you just give us a sense as to what the status is right now with respect to the Chief Minister as well coming in, visiting? And I believe that, a lot of preparation was being made for roads being cleared in anticipation of that.
So at this point of time, the roads have not been cleared. In fact, it was the half part of the bridge which collapsed yesterday. In the whole night, the whole process was on to clear the debris. The debris at this point of time has been cleaned. But what we are picking up is that it will by evening only that the road will be will be opened for the common man. And remember again, when you are from the city, you realize how important this road is for the common Mumbaikar, for the common commuter. So it has also been a big trouble for the normal Mumbaikar to really travel in this part of the city. They have been using diversions, but what we are picking up is that by end of the day, at least by evening, the road will be cleared. But as you said, by the end of the day, the Chief Minister has asked Ajoy Mehta to book all the culprits in this case. But again, the question again is, it's the third time, and every time it's either the Babus or the bureaucrats which have been booked for the crime which has been committed here.
Passing of responsibility, yes, that's been happening. But thanks very much, Utkarsh, for giving us a status check as to what's happened with the foot-over collapse at CST. Let's in fact listen in to the Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis on what he believes led to the collapse.
ये जो सारी घटना है, ये बहुत ही गंभीर इस प्रकार की घटना है. स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट करने के बावजूद अगर इस प्रकार से ब्रिज कोलैप्स होता है तो ये सारी चीज़ों पर एक सवालिया निशान खड़ा होता है, और इसलिए इसकी एक उच्च स्तरीय जांच तो होगी, लेकिन साथ ही मैंने म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर को ये भी कहा है कि इसकी प्राथमिक जांच करके शाम तक इसकी प्राइमरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो है वो उसको फिक्स करे, क्योंकि इस प्रकार की घटनाओं में किसी को बख्शने का कोई कारण नहीं है। और निश्चित रूप से अगर ऑडिट हुआ है और उसके बावजूद ये पुलिया गिर रहा है तो इस ऑडिट के ऊपर भी एक सवालिया निशान खड़ा होता है और इसलिए उसके ऊपर भी निश्चित रूप से जांच की जाएगी। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फिक्स होने के बाद जो प्रॉपर लोग होंगे उनके ऊपर एफआईआर की जाएगी।
Hopefully some action will be taken. At least that is what Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis seems to be assuring.